Hello, teacher Alfonso. Now I'm going to show you my pronunciation workshop. Techniques about how to pronounce correctly all the sounds included in the International Phonetics Alphabet Chart. In the next PowerPoint presentation, you'll find 15 sentences written in IPA that contain vowels and consonant sounds. I hope you do like it. 1. She is beautiful. We are friends. They are Colombians. He buys a new car. That chair is comfortable. My motorcycle is nice. The door is long. Her yellow blouse is chic. I like eating bread. We talk to the teacher. She sent my letter yesterday. My cousins plays football very well. That mall center is well known in the city. This jeans is very expensive. I liked to watch the moon with her. Teacher Alfonso, thanks for watching. I hope you like.